Hello guys, welcome back to Alok Motion Studio. I hope you all are well. Today we are study class 11 English CH7 Silk Road narrated by Nick Middleton. So let's begin. Introduction. In this chapter, Nick Middleton narrates his journey to Mount Kailash in Tibet to perform the sacred ritual of the Kora. Accompanied by his driver, Satan, and a companion named Daniel, Middleton embarks on a challenging expedition through the rugged terrains of the Tibetan plateau. The narrative delves into the physical hardships faced during the journey, the cultural encounters along the way, and the spiritual significance of the pilgrimage. Departure from Ravu. Before leaving Ravu, Lamo, a local woman, gifts Middleton a long-sleeved sheepskin coat, a traditional attire of the Drokpa tribe, to protect him from the cold during his journey to Mount Kailash. Satan, the driver, suggests taking a shortcut southwest, which is a direct route to Mount Kailash but involves crossing high mountain passes. He assures that the journey will be manageable if there is no snow. Daniel accompanies Middleton until Darchan, a town near Mount Kailash, to assist him during the initial part of the journey. Journey through the Tibetan plateau. As they travel, they encounter gazelles grazing on vast, open arid pastures, and wild asses, Kyang, running alongside the vehicle. They also observe shepherds tending to their flocks of yaks and sheep. Approaching a hill, they pass dark tents that serve as homes for nomadic Tibetans. Outside these tents, Tibetan mastiffs stand as guards. These large, fearsome dogs chase after the car for about 100 meters before stopping. High altitude challenges. The journey becomes increasingly difficult as they ascend to higher altitudes. The author experiences a severe headache due to the reduced oxygen levels. The altitude at this point is 5,210 meters above sea level, as indicated by the author's altimeter watch. Snow begins to fall, blocking the route. To reduce the weight on the vehicle, Daniel and the author get out of the car on sharp bends. Upon reaching the top of the mountain pass at 5,515 meters, the atmospheric pressure is so low that Satan has to open the lid of the petrol tank to release the evaporated fuel. Arrival at Ho. They reach the small town of Ho in the late afternoon. The author describes Ho as miserable, with no greenery and only rocks and dust. Daniel decides to return to Lhasa from here. The author expresses his disappointment at the state of Mansarovar Lake, situated near Ho. Instead of the serene beauty he anticipated, he finds garbage scattered around, which dampens his spirits. Reaching Darchan, they arrive at a guest house in Darchan by night. The author struggles with altitude-related issues and seeks treatment from a Tibetan doctor. After a 5-day course of medication, he recovers. The next morning, the author feels better and describes Darchan as a dusty and derelict town with a few rudimentary stores. He notices that there are not many pilgrims around, which suggests he might have arrived early for the pilgrimage season. Meeting Norbu. While waiting for optimal conditions to begin the Kora, the author meets Norbu, a Tibetan scholar working on the significance of the Kora in Buddhist literature. Norbu is also there to perform the Kora and agrees to accompany the author. Together, they prepare for the pilgrimage, sharing a common purpose and determination. The author feels that his positive thinking strategy is working again, as he finds a companion to undertake the journey with. Conclusion. The chapter concludes by highlighting the themes of resilience, faith, and the importance of companionship during challenging journeys. Through his experiences, the author learns that perseverance and a positive outlook can help overcome obstacles, both physical and emotional. Here a hard meaning start. 1. Expedition, journey for a purpose. 2. Pilgrimage, sacred journey. 3. Altimeter, device measuring height above sea level. 4. Nomadic, moving from place to place. 5. Terrain, land, ground type. 6. Arid, dry, barren. 7. Perseverance, steadfast effort. 8. Companion, friend or partner. 9. Serene, calm, peaceful. 10. Rugged, rough, uneven. Thank you for watching a video.